Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Angela.
And you are on Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill, your source for all things travel. So where are we, honey?
Saratoga Springs in Disney World.
Yes, we're here for the next week. We are staying in a one-bedroom villa in the Grandstand Section. There's several sections. Over the week, we're going to give you a full tour of the resort, show you some of the other buildings, the main areas, restaurants, and things along those lines. But for now, Angela's going to guide us on a room tour. And we hope you enjoy it. We hope you'll like it. And stick around. We'll give you our initial thoughts towards the end of the video. All right, so Angela has her brand new Magic Band Plus. Right there. It vibrates and stuff like that. And this acts as your room key or admission card and a whole bunch of other stuff. There's lots more videos on that possibly. But we are at room 9830. Really cutely themed resort based on the New York. So, all right, Angela, take us around. Pardon the mess.
Pardon the mess, we're just checking in. So when you walk in, there's a little kind of little hallway, foyer, there's hooks, you can hang coats and so forth. You have a little table there with a mirror, put some stuff on. As you walk in, it's a cute little picture with two horses.
And what do you see in the picture?
Is there hidden Mickeys? Yes, there is. There's some hidden Mickeys, I think, in there. Yeah, you
Okay.
found one. So you come in, and you got a table with a bench and two chairs.
I see
Another
it
hidden Mickey in there.
in the mirrors.
Yes, there is. Okay. This comes with a complete full kitchen. So if you want to do cooking or whatever, they provide enough stuff. You have a full refrigerator. Hope I got the right one.
Properly stocked already with beer and Gatorade.
Full freezer with ice cube trays. You have a full stove. Oh, another hidden Mickey.
Oh, wow. The stove is a hidden Mickey.
That's right.
That's insane.
A microwave.
Plenty of cabinets too, it looks like.
Yes. Oops. Okay.
Okay, design floor.
Yeah.
It looks like the stove is pushed over a little bit.
Yeah.
So it probably needs to be pushed back so that...
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay. Now, we'll get housekeeping on that. They're usually pretty good.
Let's see what's down here.
That's pots and... Oh,
Some pots, some frying pans, and some pots. In the cabinets, you have dishes, glasses. Over here, some plates, coffee cups, wine glasses. In the end, you have casserole dishes, mixing bowls, strainer, measuring cup. It comes with a coffee maker, toaster. In the drawer, you have utensils to cook with.
okay.
In your silverware.
Always on the lookout for hidden Mickeys.
Underneath here, you have two pots, more paper towels, some cleaning stuff. It comes with a dishwasher.
Very nice.
Their garbage is underneath. One for recyclable and one for other stuff.
Now, I'm not sure whether they refill this stuff during the week or not.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We're here on points, so I think that they may do that.
You get a full-size TV, and then this is pretty cute. You have kids. It's a bed with Goofy.
That's pretty cool.
You got a couch, which I believe may open up to another bed. Yep, I believe so. I think so. And I think that's another. Yeah, I think there's another bed that pulls down.
Oh, try it.
Oh, no.
We'll have to probably show you that. Let's see. Let's see if he wants us to do this.
Yep. Or maybe that doesn't change into a bed. This is the other bed. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
There's a Mickey on the swing.
Oh, that's cute.
Donald. So great if you have kids.
Yeah.
Cute.
And we'll put it back up for now.
It's got the Disney theme in it.
Oh, Mo. I wonder if this... Oh, this hidden Mickey's on the trophy. The handles of the trophy.
Right. You're right. And then there's golfing Mickey over here.
Yeah, this is they have a golf course right on the resort.
And then we go this way. We have a small washer and dryer, but you can do your clothes. They provide you with a little bit of soap, but I would bring some of your own. There's a broom and shovel, pan, whatever you call that.
Shovel?
Pan.
Pan. Angel does actually do all the cleaning at the house, so she is familiar with that stuff.
Then we got the master bedroom with the king size bed. And you got some cute pictures above it. There's Donald and Daisy. It's definitely got the Disney theme. And I believe this is Mickey and Minnie on the other side. Yep, Mickey and Minnie on this side. You got Pluto.
And that is actually a picture of Saratoga Racetrack in New York.
And you got Goofy over here fishing, looks like.
Oh, that's cool. Colorized. That's really, really nice.
So you got plenty of drawers to unpack. Shelves. More drawers. It's about 6 drawers. Pretty deep. And the shelves. So there's plenty of place to unpack and put your stuff. Especially if you're here for a week like us.
Some outlets there.
Oh, there's an outlet right here, which is unusual, which is good.
2 outlets and USBs,
USB.
which is nice.
And more USBs over here with 2 outlets.
Oh, good. For my CPAP machine.
Yes,
Because
your
what happens if I don't have my CPAP machine?
Angela won't be happy. And on the other side, same thing. 2 outlets and
USBs.
USBs. And both sides have drawers.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
And then we got the bathroom. There's a door to separate. This you got 1 sink. It's a nice size sink area. A full tub. Hair dryer.
Some outlets there.
Some outlets.
It's a makeup mirror there too, which is nice.
Yes, I didn't see that. And then, of course, Disney's lovely products, the H2O.
Which we love,
Yes.
but I won't spend the money on it.
Yes. Drawers on both sides.
Little garbage can down there.
Garbage can. Over here. Oh, let me go here first. Over here, you have a walk-in closet, which is great. You can keep your luggage in here after you unpack. Some hangers.
There's a safe.
There's a safe.
Our grandson's favorite toy. The last time we stayed at Disney was the safe.
Yes, he had to keep his toys in there. Vacuum
It's an
cleaner,
iron,
iron. Not that I use that. And then there's the second part of the bathroom.
Is there a toilet in here?
Yes, there is.
Oh, okay, good.
Well, first, this is the, I guess you could say this is the shower. Nice size.
What's that over there?
It's a clothesline, Bill.
Ooh. They got the Mickey stuff on the wall, but it's bolted in so you don't steal it.
They got the rain shower and handheld.
That's nice.
I believe this was recently renovated in the past 2-3 years ago. Another full sink here with some storage underneath. And then here's the most important room.
The throne room.
The throne.
This is where it all happens. Leaves. Not much to say about a bathroom.
No. And then we got the outside, which we didn't show.
We didn't? No, we're back out into the other room.
And then we have a little patio out here.
Yeah, this is nice. This.
Balcony. Is this something? Oh, I think we have more storage too. Oh no, this. Oh, that's right. It goes
Oh,
like
that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's really nice.
I like that. Is it break everything? Ugh.
Don't lose a finger doing that.
Yeah, I don't think I can sue the mouse, can I? And then they have a little balcony outside. Got 2 chairs.
And hit the Mickeys.
And we have the view of the golf course.
The golf course, yeah. All right, so what do you think?
I think it's very nice.
It's beautiful. It's really nice for an extended stay.
Yes.
Especially if you have kids, it's really good. The being able to eat. We're both going to be working during the week, and she's going to be working her regular job. I will be doing a lot of travel agent stuff. I have a lot of people traveling, and some people I need to get back to. But we'll both be working kind of during the day. There's plenty of room for that here. Mm-hmm. We'll probably eat lunch and breakfast here. We'll get We did some grocery shopping before. We'll do a little bit more afterwards. Nothing too crazy, and then probably have dinner out most nights.
Yes.
We'll do a full resort tour, but we checked out the shop and the area where they have like convenience stuff. Mm-hmm. Bagels and cookies and milk and all that stuff. Pricing was not bad. Pricing was actually, I believe, lower than it is in a regular Disney resort, because this is normally a timeshare Disney Vacation Club. So I like it. You like it?
I like it. Yes, very nice.
Speaking of liking,
Cozy.
if you're enjoying this content, please give this video a like. See what I did there? It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us out. And also, please subscribe. That means a lot. It tells Facebook you're enjoying this type of content, tells us you're enjoying this type of content, and we'll do more Disney videos if you like. So, again, subscribe. And what's the best part about the subscription?
It's free.
Costs you nothing. So, again,
it helps us out.
Yes, it does. Well, thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it.
And come with us on our journey.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.